My name is Shadow and I'm going to show you simple rule number 9 for Figueiredos Montante. Serves to fight in a narrow street where your horizontal movements are restricted, but you still have space above you. You can use the same basic 3 hits on each side on the street, and I'm going to show you how it is done.
You will do it by giving a tail hoe from low to high with the long edge, moving the right foot forward. Then letting the montante fall to the same right side, you will give on that side an altibaxo, which is a vertical cut from above, and we use here the long edge again. Although Figueiredo doesn't mention it, we step with the left foot forward while doing the altibaxo. By this we come to situate a thrust, with the pommel of the montante on the height of the right shoulder, which you will give putting in the right foot. You will commence the rule again, facing the other direction, with the same blows until it becomes necessary to turn about. If you have to turn mid-rule, the strikes transfer also well while turning. I still do suggest to train the transitional footwork beforehand.
Thank you for watching. If you like my tutorials, feel free to give them a like. I see you next time in simple rule number 10.